Good evening. I'll welcome you back here to the farm. I'm out here at the berry patch, and I'm gonna give you a little quick tour. We've probably been working on this for several months, and as of right now, we're kind of through with it. So we still got some more plants, and I'll tell you about that when we get up there to that row. Got maybe 4 or 5 more blackberries we're gonna put in. Got to do a little trellising, but as I go along, I'll tell you about it. So this is the kind of behind our house. This is the spot where our original homestead garden was before we got into market gardening. Then we grew potatoes here. Didn't much like it growing potatoes here. Then we decided to try a berry patch, and I tried one down there behind a high tunnel. Kind of got away from it for whatever reason. We did this one a whole lot better. What we did is I tilled this up, and then I laid down woven fabric, and then we put wood chips on top of that. Then we planted what we was going to do in here, and we kind of raked them back, raked the wood chips back, cut a little hole, and dug with the post hole diggers and planted it that way. So really it was pretty easy planting. It's hardest thing was probably putting down the fabric, because we put some down, and then one night it came and had a really bad storm, blowed some of it up, but we didn't have it down real good. Killed some of the blueberries, but anyway, we'll get over that. So, all right, first row here, we did thornless blackberries. We got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blackberries, and then we got 3 golden raspberries. And I showed you those the other day, but here's the blackberries that we got. I wouldn't think I would like these, but these are delicious. I'm talking about absolutely delicious. Golden raspberries. So, first row, thornless blackberries, golden raspberries. Second row, we did another row of blueberries. And we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 plants of those. I think this one here is dead. We've lost a couple of them for whatever reason. Maybe that one out there, well, it's got a little bit of life coming to it. The ones that got damaged in the storm were replaced. And they're different, all kinds of different varieties. Titan's our favorite, and there's several Titans in here. So, but for the most part, they're doing really good. Then we got another row of blueberries, different varieties. I think this one here is dead. This one also got damaged in the storm. What it did, it picked that fabric up and jerked it, and broke some of them right at the roots. And we tried to save this one, it didn't work. So we got 2 rows of blueberries, and of course we've got our big blueberries over beside the house that we're mainly picking right now. And then we got another little blueberry patch on down from it, and might eventually join those 2. I don't know. It depends how it goes. These are doing really good. Well, they're not doing good, but they will, I think. It's a good location. So this is about 50. I measured it out. It's about 50 by 50 is what we did. And the garden was quite a bit bigger than this. I'm just using part of it. So next row is another row of blackberries. Some coming up. So we got, I think 9 in this row. So we got a row of blueberries, 2 rows of a row of blackberries, 2 rows of blueberries, a row of blackberries, and then these are all the same variety, those Arkansas Prime something. They're supposed to be self-supporting, but I don't know, I might put a trellis in there. And then we got, next row is the row that we need to finish out. So I got 3 raspberries here, and they don't look that good. I believe this one's ripe. Let's try it and see what it, I don't really much like raspberries out of the store. Let's see what this one tastes like. That's pretty good. It's actually really good. So I got some more over here. It's got some ripe ones on it. Yeah, those red raspberries are Latham or something like that. And I got 2 rows of blackberries, and they're a little different variety than the other ones. And then here's the open space I got. So I think I'm gonna put 5 more plants in here. Probably gonna be blackberries. Right, here's one about ready. Look at this. So we'll probably get a few blackberries this year. I mean, not a whole lot. Won't get any blueberries out of this, but anyway, but we knew that going in, so hopefully next year they'll come back game busters. Surprised about the raspberries, the golden ones, they look really good. All right, so we got this row. Next row is grapes. And I'm going to have to build a trellis system for the next 2 rows. I haven't done that yet, but they look really good. They might need to go and think about that. But we got 2 different kinds of grapes. This one over here is a seedless red. These first 2 over here are seedless red grapes. Let's see what they say. So I got 2 seedless red, and they look good and healthy. Then I got 2 seedless Concord. Right, here's one. So that's why I'm going to have to build a trellis definitely for these. And it's the first time growing grapes, so we thought we'd try it just to see how it goes. Don't know the first thing about them. Next row is Muscadines. So we got 4 Muscadines here. 1, 2, 3, and right there's the 4. So you see this area here. We talked about maybe putting wildflowers here, but I think I'm actually going to put a little bit more, like a 4-foot section of fabric, and mulch it, and then we maybe do something on that bank. Well, this bank's here, the way I used to plow this, and you can't really tell from the camera, but it's all kind of something. It's, it's supposed to go kind of like this. It kind of got that dip, and then it goes up and over, but anyway, it don't matter. All right, that's our little tour of our new berry patch. I'm pretty excited about it, actually, and this is Allison's little work here. She maintains it mostly. She come through and weeded yesterday, or it might have been a couple of days ago, and already needs it again. Well, these weeds, I wish vegetables would grow like that. So anyway, it looks really good, and our thing is low maintenance, so hopefully eventually get that way. And we're even talking about maybe putting like some kind of picket fence around it with a nice little gate or whatever. That'd be something in the future. that we do. And like I said, I gotta go ahead and think about what kind of trellis system I'm gonna use on those, on the grapes and the muscadines, and definitely need to do these golden raspberries. There's another one right there I missed. I'm gonna get it real quick and eat it. Oh man, it is just perfectly ripe. I like that one better than the red one. So anyway, hopefully next year we'll have a bunch of blackberries ready to sell. We'll sell these golden raspberries too at our farm stand or at the farm market. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and we'll try to answer it. And you know, something more detailed. I gave it pretty detailed of what we put in. I didn't really give all the varieties, but I think we got them wrote down somewhere. I can look if somebody needs to know. All right, appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here at the farm in the next video.